Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a playlist on Apple Music. To begin, let's select a playlist we want to share. We can either pick a playlist from our library or search for it online. I'll go with this one. In order to share it, press the three dots in the upper right corner and select Share Playlist. Here you'll be able to choose the way you want to share it with your friends. You can copy the link to it, you can share it using Discord, Gmail, and other apps that you have installed on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, leave us a like and subscribe.